My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How you say name?
Yeah, Jebba.
Okay.
Yeah, one day, one woman, I want daughter. So, the only daughter she have, So, every week she go to market, she buy cocaine. And I pay cocaine she buy every week. And I feed the girl pan cocaine. Pussy look on the girl, sir. Jesus. Oh, you sit down there and laugh. Maybe you do the same thing, Nobody laugh. Because that's how you turn. Every week she go buy the cocaine, man, and feed the girl. The pussy look on the girl fat like a cut puss. So, the girl want fit deal with that case. But she don't know how to deal with it. So, she line up with her friend, Say, look at her friend. You must be let you in the house at night time. And you must go by in the corner. And when we come down on the bed now, we go with the thing. So, my man always go on the corner of the bed there, And that's when the girl come on the bed and lie down now, the man carry on in the thing. But when the man carry on in the thing now, the whole lady don't know what go on. So the whole lady always say, girl, what do you so? When me carry a cup of on the bed say, I cocaine a crash me, ma. Every night I see him thing, cocaine a crash me. Girl, what do you say? You can't keep yourself quiet. You don't hear me say cocaine a crash me, ma. So the old lady decided to find out what happened. So one night now, the old lady put the girl at the front and she go to the corner and lie down, same like how you girl used to lie down. So my man ready now. So him never know the difference. How I go on. So him start deal with him case. So the old lady start feel what happened. The old lady don't say nothing. Everything said and done. In the morning now, everybody wake up. Old lady come out of the kitchen now and start boil tea. The girl come out now. Go like him cold. Yeah, old lady don't know. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. Every night you see a coke in a crotch you. I know the kid me feel last night at the hand.